How can you use iPhone to read text? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything important in the future. So if you want your iPhone to read text to you, you have to at first enable it in the settings by going to the main settings app, accessibility, and finding the read and speak this section within that like settings accessibility page. So we have the speak screen. I would turn it on in here, right? I'm going to show you how it works in just a second, but also the speaking selection should also be enabled. So there are like two ways to make the iPhone read text to you. So the speak screen, it's enabled and it gets triggered with this gesture when you swipe it down with two fingers from the top edge of the display. For example, you are browsing a web page, there is naturally some text, you perform this gesture and your iPhone will start reading the text out loud to you. You're going to get a controller on the screen and it will allow you to pause it, to go back, to change the speed and stuff like that to get more or better experience out of this feature. So that is how it works and how it gets triggered. The other option is to speak the selection, which means that not every single text on the screen will be spoken to you, but you might be reading an article, whatever, you hold it down on the text, select the area which you want the iPhone to read. So you can see more options are going to appear above it, like you can copy, but switch from the options and click on a speak. It's going to appear because we enabled it in the settings before, and it will read it the same way, but not like the whole page and everything, but only the selected portion of the text. So it is better if you specifically want some parts of the article to be read to you and not the whole thing. But that is how it works. These are the two most common options. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later. Stay tuned and I'll see you then.